In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a reusable boba cup. That way you can enjoy your boba without killing any turtles. What's good everyone? Philip here, and on this channel I post weekly videos on all things good in food, my life, and business, so make sure to subscribe right now. So I'm super late to the boba game. My friend Tom actually introduced it to me about 3 years ago, and since then I've been addicted. However, we've been recently more conscious of our consumption of single-use plastic. I've searched the internet for reusable boba cups, but I've never been able to find anything, so I ended up making my own. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I did it. In the description, I'll post a link to all of the items that you can get through Amazon. There's only a few things that you actually need, and it's a mason jar, a lid, and reusable straw. One other item that I would highly recommend but isn't really necessary is a specific drill bit. It's called a step drill bit. Chicho! Come on. One item that I would highly recommend but isn't 100% necessary is this particular drill bit. It's called a step drill bit, and it's just made to drill cleaner holes. I've tried drilling a hole into this lid with a regular drill bit, and although it works, it does end up cracking the plastic. So if you want a clean cut hole, I would recommend going with the step drill bit. Before I show you how I made this, an easier and cheaper way is to just buy this resealable cap. I think the benefit of using this cap is that if some of the drinks that you purchase need to be shaken, you can easily close this lid and shake your cup before you drink. The other great thing about this lid is that if you don't finish your drink, you can seal it off and save it for later. The reason why I went with this other lid is because honestly, I just think it looks better. So the way that you do this is actually really simple. All you have to do is take one of these lids, and I just throw it right on top of the glass. There's already a little dot dead center in this lid, so all you have to do is take your drill, line it up, and then just start off slow. Once you drill the hole, all you'll want to do is just do a test fit with your straw. Looks like it's good. If you want to clean up the hole a little bit, you can drill it from the other side. And that's pretty much it. You'll just want to make sure to wash it out before you use it. Another thing you want to make sure to do before you purchase any of these things is make sure that you get a wide mouth mason jar and a wide mouth mason jar lid. There's two separate sizes and you want to make sure that they match. I think in the US, a normal medium-sized drink is 16 ounces and a large is a 20 ounce. This bottle right here is 24 ounces and this one right here is a 16 ounce. I usually just go with the 24 ounce for all of my drinks, and I'll just still order a medium and they'll fill it up and just top it off with ice. The straws that I purchased on Amazon are also made specifically for smoothies or boba. They're a lot wider and thicker than a regular straw, and they all come with a cleaner as well. So next time you go out to get boba, all you have to do is to remember to bring your cup. We usually just leave a lot of our reusable items like containers, cups, and utensils in our trunk. That way if we end up going out to eat or get something to drink, we always have it in the back of our car. Before this video is over, I want you to leave a comment with your favorite boba tea flavor. I think the hard part about living a single-use plastic-free life is that people are afraid of a rejection when asking if they can use their own containers or cups. Next time you go into your favorite boba location, you can always ask if you can bring your own reusable cup before you make one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be sure to post other ways that we try and live single-use plastic-free. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell if you want to see more videos on all things good in food, my life, and business.